So, some people ask me and my wife why we are child-free. And this is what we tell them. 52% of wildlife has been killed off in the last 40 years. This is why we are child-free. Some people ask why we are vegan. They are why we are vegan. Look up a factory farm video where they suffer from birth to death. So, not enough people ask why we are organic. Not to poison the bees, birds, bugs, and ourselves and water. That is why we are organic. Not enough people ask why we try to be plastic free. For the sea life, because this world is not all about you and me. And some others wonder why we sold our car. Because modern car culture kills, and public transit and the subways rock. Suburban sprawl kills wildlife and pushes them out. So electric or bad battery cars are not the solution, nor are hybrid, or more highways and roads that push out wildlife habitats. But build up and control our population and live sustainably.